What is Kartra and how much does it cost? Have you been trying to find the best, the best online marketing tool that does the most things, that makes you the most money? You've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you all about Kartra. It is amazing, and I'm going to show you all the things it does and why you should get it, and we're starting right now. Now, if you do decide to get Kartra, I'm also going to show you how to get it for only $1, okay? $1 trial, which is pretty good. Now, my name is J.R. Fisher. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. There's a big subscribe button down there. That's what it's for. They put it there so that you would subscribe to my channel, okay? Just mine. Nobody else's, just mine. Next to it, there is a bell. I need you to ring the bell. If you ring the bell, when you ring the bell, not if, you're gonna do it. When you ring the bell, it's gonna make that noise there, and then you need to set it to all notifications. You become part of the VIP, the Fisher family, the special people. Not that special, the other special. The special people, they get notified as soon as I do a video. You don't have to go searching for it. You don't have to go and waste your time. I'll just tell you when I do a new video, okay? So hook you up right there, hit that bell, turn on all notifications. Now, I've been selling online since 2009. I have my own branded products on thousands of websites, including Walmart. Sold millions of dollars worth of digital and physical products. Heck, maybe you ought to listen to some of my advice, right? All right, all kidding aside, this channel is for you. This channel is so that you can learn how to start, run, and grow your online business. I give you the tips, the tricks, the secrets, the things you need to know that nobody else is telling you, and you can get it for free on this channel. So make sure you're part of it. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Now, in addition to that, if that wasn't enough already, right, I'm gonna give you my $97 e-commerce course for free. You can get it for free. It's a limited time. Go down in the description and you're gonna see a link there. You just click and learn, no credit card required. I hook you up, okay? Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, and also put your comments below there. Now, if you've tried some of these other programs I'm gonna be talking about in here, put your comments below. If you've tried Kartra, put your comments below. What have been your experiences with online softwares? I've tried a lot of them, and I'll get into that in just a second, but man, Kartra is it. I'm telling you, Kartra is it. Let's jump into this and let's take a look at Kartra right now, what all it does, what it costs, and how you can get it. Now, I gotta tell you, in the beginning, I didn't know anything about online marketing. I knew how to get the website out there, but I didn't really know what to do with it. So the first thing I tried out was Constant Contact. And Constant Contact's still out there, and I'm sure they're a fine company, but they didn't do anything near what Kartra does. And then I think I went to MailChimp, and I think MailChimp had a free version then if you didn't hardly have any people on your list. So I tried MailChimp. Maybe you've tried some of these things. And then I think I went over to Aweber. Aweber was pretty good, and Aweber could do a little bit more, and it was a little bit more intuitive, and you could do stuff based on people's actions. And then I moved over to Infusionsoft. Now, Infusionsoft, I think they call it Keep now, because they're trying to keep their customers. Is that why? Maybe, I don't know. But that was expensive. Infusionsoft, it was really, really expensive, okay? And Infusionsoft did a lot, and you could put some pretty intricate funnels and automated emails and all that, but it was really difficult to work in. I never really got the hang of Infusionsoft. My wife worked in it. She was a ninja at it. She was great at it. I just never really got it. It was hard for me. And then we went to ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels I really liked. It did a lot. I could make real quick sales pages. I could hook them together. I could do upsells and downsells real quick. And I really enjoyed ClickFunnels. And that was probably one of my favorite programs. But I also had another program called Kajabi, and Kajabi was for membership sites. And Kajabi I had to pay for separate from ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels wasn't cheap either. It was pretty expensive. And I also had one called Lead Pages, where I would actually build pages in there, and it was a page builder, and that's basically what it did. But Kartra, come on guys, all those things I just listed there, Kartra will do all that and more, and I'm going to tell you what more it's going to do in just a second. But I had to really go through those programs, I think, to get to the stage where Kartra made sense to me, because Kartra does so many things that a lot of you out there, if you're just starting out or you haven't been in this long, are not going to even realize you need it. But you do. You need everything that Kartra does, you will. Okay, so let's talk about what Kartra does. And I tried to do an exhaustive list, I probably will miss something. The first thing it does is it sends out email broadcast. Now broadcast is where you're going to type an email and you're going to decide when it's going to go out. Maybe it's now, maybe you're timing it for tomorrow, next week or whatever, and then you're going to decide who it's going to go to based on the tags of the people that are in your database. Okay, so those are the things that it will do. It will do a broadcast. It will also do email sequences. So an email sequence is a series of emails that go out to somebody. Maybe you're trying to sell a product, and maybe it's, you know, our canned meat turkey for 159 bucks and it's regularly 199 bucks. And when people buy it, we tag them 159 turkeys so we know they bought it. And the reason we do that is because the sequence of emails is trying to get them to buy, and if they buy on the first email, it doesn't send out the rest of them. That's how a sequence works. Or maybe they buy on the third one. We don't want to send out the rest of them because they already bought. Okay, it wouldn't make any sense. So it'll do those sequences for you. You can also build sales pages. Now, I used to do that in lead pages. I used to do that in ClickFunnels, but Kartra actually does that in there. So now it's an email thing, and it also does these sales pages. The next thing it does, number 4, if we're counting right, number 4 is it builds opt-ins. What that means is you can build a little opt-in box where somebody can put in their name and email, or name, email, phone number, whatever you want, and when they opt in and they click submit, it tags them with whatever that was. So maybe you were doing a download on, you know, how to lose weight in 10 days, or maybe you were doing a download on chocolate cake recipes, and you can actually tag those people as they opt in. You give them whatever the download is, the PDF, the course, whatever it was, but you know that those people actually participated in that particular opt-in. So now you got them tagged and you can categorize them. The next thing it does, number 5, is it's an email list. Okay, so this will also house all your emails. So, you know, you don't have to buy another email list provider because it does that for you. Number 6 is you can tag people. You can tag people with anything you want. So if they go to one of your pages and they viewed some content, you know, and they opted in to get there, you can tag them with that. If they bought a product from you, let's say they bought turkey and you want to sell them beef, you know, they're tagged with turkey, so now you know not to send them the turkey sales page, you want to send them the beef sales page. So you can tag them with what they did. The next thing you could do, which is number 7, is you can put people on lists. Lists are great because you can categorize whole groups of people. So maybe they're on the list of people who bought your course. Maybe they're on the list of people who you don't want to email anymore. But you can segregate these lists, and that can be done inside Kartra, which is pretty cool. And number 8, you can run different businesses within Kartra. So I own a survival food company, and I can send out emails to those people. I can send out sales pages to those people, and on that particular sales page and those people, okay, it is set up for Survival Cave Food, separate company. Okay, I also have another company, jrfisher.com, and we do sales training, we do digital marketing, I have courses, and I have that business set in there. So no matter how many businesses you have, you can set them all up in that one Kartra account. Now depending on how big it gets, you're going to have to pay a little bit more for Kartra, but bottom line is you can set up all these different businesses in there and run them out of one software instead of paying for separate softwares. Number 9, I love this one. You can host videos within Kartra. Now, on every other platform, if you want to show a video to somebody, you're going to have some place to host that video. It's going to be on Vimeo, it's going to be on YouTube, it's going to be someplace else other than the actual page it's on, because it doesn't have a player. In Kartra, it does have a player, and that's not the only advantage to hosting them in there. The other advantage is you can get data. So when somebody is watching one of your videos, and let's say you have an offer at 5 minutes and they leave at 4 minutes, you can trigger a email sequence that will go out to them. All the people that left at 4 minutes, you can send them an email and say, hey, you didn't get a chance to complete this video. I've got something really cool I want to offer you. Click here to finish the video now. You can't do that anyplace else, right? It'll also let you know who's leaving your video and when they're leaving it, and figure out what it is at that point that's causing them to leave. So hosting your videos within Kartra is an awesome thing you can do that really helps you build your business, because you know what these people are reacting to. Number 10, it integrates. I mean, it integrates with almost everything. Doesn't matter who your payment provider is, doesn't matter if it's authorized.net or PayPal or any other integrations you want. Kartra probably has an integration for it, so you don't have to worry about one piece of software talking to the other, because Kartra already does it for you. Number 11, it has analytics on everything. So it has analytics on your emails, who's opening it, who's clicking in it, you know, who's buying stuff. It has analytics on your funnels, it has analytics on your sales page, on your memberships, whatever it is that you've got going on, you can click on there and see the analytics and see how people are reacting to what you're doing, which helps you maximize it. Number 12, you can do split test. So let's say you want to send out an email and you're not sure if the $99 price is better or the $79 price is better. So what you can do is you can actually send out two different emails to the same group of people and have it split, or you can have a sales page. One's at $99, one's at $79, and when people come to it, you direct half the people to the $99, half to the $79, and you'll see which one converts better and how many sales you get. There's so many things you can do with split test. Number 13, it has proven templates. So you don't have to be a programmer or a designer or anything like that. All you have to do is use the templates that are already there. They have templates for opt-in pages, for memberships, for sales pages, for whatever you want. It's in there in Kartra, and they've given you examples of it. And you can use these examples by just altering a few things and making it for your company. Number 14, I love this because this improved for us. Number 14 is it has great deliverability. People actually get the emails. I know when I dealt with Infusionsoft, which is now Keep, our deliverability was just terrible. I mean, people weren't getting these emails. For some reason, they were going to spam or whatever it is. And Kartra stays on top of this and makes sure that these things get delivered, because if they don't get delivered, people don't see them. Number 15, you can do SMS messaging. What does that mean? You can actually send a message to somebody's cell phone. So you can text through Kartra, send out these texts. Now, a lot of people have to pay for an extra piece of software to do this, but this is built in Kartra and it's included. Number 16, they have an affiliate marketplace. So let's say you have a funnel and it's doing well and it's making money. You can offer it out to all these other people that are in Kartra and pay them a percentage, and you get all that extra business that you wouldn't have had. Number 17, it has a membership portal. Oh my gosh, that membership that I was paying for a Kajabi at, you know, I don't have to anymore because it's built into Kartra. So they have their own membership in there, and I can put as many memberships as I want in there, and these can be courses where people pay me monthly. And I've got several courses in there, but you know, you get somebody paying you 27 bucks a month and you get 100 of them, it's 2,700 bucks, or you get 1,000 of them, it's $27,000, and that's all going in there because Kartra has this membership availability. Here's a funny testimonial I found online. This is from Audria. She says, I canceled the following: Infusionsoft, Lead Pages, Zapier. I'm going to build my website with this tool. It's so dope, LOL. So, you know, there's testimonials out there, but I mean, it's just really an amazing, amazing product. And I want to go over some of the pricing with you real quick. Now, keep in mind, if you do want to do Kartra, I have a special link below, and if you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page. You don't have to opt in or do anything, and it will show you a video of all these things I talked about that Kartra will do. But if you want to buy Kartra, check this out. Here's the pricing for Kartra right here. It's $99 a month, or $79 a month billed annually, for up to, looks like 2,500 people, or $199 for up to 12,000 people. Pretty good. And then if you look on the screen now, you can get for $299 a month up to 25,000 contacts, or it's $249 when it's billed annually, and that's what I do as the annual. It saves you $50 a month, a total savings of $840 a year. Or you can do the $399 plan, which gives you up to 50,000 people. Now understand, I don't have to buy all these other softwares now, so I just pay this one place and it's got everything I need. Saves me a ton of money. If you're interested in Kartra, you got to check it out, guys. You really do. Go down in the description, click on the link for Kartra, and don't forget also, I'm giving away my e-commerce course for a temporary amount of time. Okay, we don't know when that's going to go away, but for $97 course, you can get it for free. All you have to do is opt in, click and learn. It's really that simple. What else? Comments. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know what you think of Kartra. Have you tried it out? What other platforms have you used? What questions do you have for me? Put it all in the comments below. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up and use that subscribe button down there. Make sure you subscribe. Ring the bell. Ring that bell and turn on all notifications. Very important that you set it to all notifications. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you've got a subject you want me to do a video on, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.